everybody. Welcome to Julie Hannah's short bedtime book stories. Today we'll be reading from my biggest bedtime book. Bedtime book is distributed in Canada by Publishers Direct Sales of Antibioc, Ontario, Canada. Copyright 1985, HAMLYN Publishing, a division of the HAMLYN Publishing Group.
Hello? Ribbit? What are you doing lying on the book? Are you getting cozy and comfy? Silly frog! But thank you for coming. Let's take a look. At what you're hiding there at the next story that we're going to be reading. Oh, look, you say. The Pudding Bird. That's what's going to be reading? Yeah. All right, Ribbit. That is the story of your choice. Hey, Ribbit, say hi to your friends, okay? Hi, Olive. Hi, Yanni. Hi, Robin. Hi, everybody. Oh, good show, Ribbit. Let's get reading. Oh, got your hands on the page there, Ribbit. Oh, you're going to hold it down? All right. The Pudding Bird. Josephine Stephen. Ivor McLean. What are you doing with my husband's equipment? Mother asked her 3 children in amazement. And what are you doing with the car rug? Father demanded, staring at his 3 children in astonishment. Mr. and Mrs. McLean had good reason to be astonished. There in front of them, that shiny afternoon in the garden, stood Josephine, Stephen, and Ivor McLean, with an amazing assortment of equipment. Around Josephine's waist was wrapped the washing line. Over her shoulders was slung a roll of garden hose. Stephen was equipped with hardware. From his belt dangled a row of pots and pans. Ivor carried the great car blanket rolled tightly in his small arms. We're going to hunt the padded, pampered pudding bird, Josephine exclaimed calmly. It loves the sounds of pots and pans jangling, Stephen added. So we'll coax it out of its hole in the ground and bring it home to tea, Ivor said proudly. Of course. Well, don't forget then, children, tea's at 5. Now don't get lost, Mother said with a wink at Father. Of course we won't, Mother, said Josephine, replied, reeling out the washing line as she led her brothers into the garden bushes. We can follow this back. With the children out of sight at last, Mr. and Mrs. McLean could hold back their laughter no longer. The padded, pampered pudding bird, Father cried, doubling up with mirth. What will those children think of next? Mother joined in, tears of laughter rolled down her cheeks. 1 hour passed. Mrs. McLean was setting out tea when Josephine emerged from the bushes. You're just in time, Mother said. I've set places for the 5 of us as usual. Oh, Mother, there are 6. There are 6 for tea today. Josephine turned to look behind. From out of the bushes came Stephen and Ivor. Between them they carried the blanket outstretched, and sitting In the blanket center, banging pots and pans together merrily, was the padded, pampered pudding bird. Oh my goodness, what a lovely story. Look, they actually captured the pudding bird. That is so fun. Go on an adventure, carry your tools and your hardware, go out and actually capture what you're looking for. Look at them. Look at that crazy pudding bird in that blanket, that pots and pans. What an amazing story. I like that story. That was a good choice, Ribbit. Very good choice. Well done, Ribbit. Well done. Thank you for coming and joining us today, Ribbit. Well done. Say goodbye to your friends. Yeah? Yeah. Say goodbye to your friends. Bye, Olive. Bye, Ani. Bye, Robin. Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining me and Ribbit today. Everybody, we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.